Hi, this is Tyler with Thinkware Customer Support, and today I'm going to be showing you how to register your dashcam with your Thinkware Cloud account. Now, the first step for this process would be to create your account using the Thinkware Cloud app. First off, we're going to click on the three little dots in the bottom right corner, which will take us to the More screen. From here, we can click on Sign In to create our account. Once you're here, click on Get a Thinkware ID and add the email, nickname, and password for your account. Agree to the terms of use and press Sign Up to send your account through. Now it is sent an email to our email address, which we have to go to confirm our account. Open this email and click the link to complete the confirmation. The link will bring you to the sign-in page of the app. Once you sign in, your account will be valid. And there we go. Now our account is created. If we click on our account, we can also see our Manage Registered Devices and change the settings for our account. Here you'll be able to see the name of your dashcam once it has been registered. Once confirmed, your account is ready to be registered with your dashcam. From here, all you have to do is connect your dashcam to the personal hotspot of your smartphone to register it with your account. To watch the tutorial for this, please click the link in the description. Thank you, and have a great day.